We've come to Stoneacre Renault because Bob rang to say they've managed to do 2 of the fixes and they've agreed a solution with Renault for the third. The preconditioning fix is going to take a little bit longer. Yes, we're home after a mostly successful trip to RMB. Right, I've come back in the car to show you the new screens. I thought it was one screen that most people show, but in fact there are several new screens. As expected, you find it under car info, and straight away it says energy info. So you've got this list screen which has distance since last reset, average speed, electric consumption, total recuperated energy, which we've never had. That's the regeneration, and climate consumption, how much the hot and cold's used. The first one I came upon is this consumption information since last reset. And it shows you the blue, which is recuperating energy, and the yellow, which is using it over the distance, and the dynamic flow information, which you've never had either. Isn't that cool? The car now has those screens I just showed you, and it also has the BMS fix to give me 30 more miles. That's real miles, because they were hiding some battery power. So the only bit missing is the preconditioning, and they're agreeing some sort of fix with Renault about that.